will be there in the backend. Some users can see it. It will come in the reports, but you don't want the end users to see it. Or a certain group, a certain profile, you don't want this field to be visible. You can straight away go and remove it. Right? So this way it helps you control a lot of things which are not being controlled otherwise. So if you are clear on that, let's move on to the other thing. Similar to our page layout is for objects. There is one more page that we have been looking into, that is the home page. Okay. So home page also can be edited. You have the option of editing home page. For home page, you should go to Setup, Customize, Home, and for that you have the option of home page layouts. So again, home page is we have the same concept. There is one home page which is there by default. You can create more pages. Why would we want to create multiple home pages? Same reason, for different profiles and different users. If you click on edit, for home page you do not have that sort of option. You just have the list of components which are available on the home page. You have to decide which all components you want to be visible, which all you don't want to see. Let's say messages and alerts I want to see. Tags I do not want to see. So whatever you want to see, what you do not want to see, just select those things, click on next. And then here you will have, so a home page usually has two sections, a narrow section and a wide section, right? So you'll just have to go and define what all components in the narrow section should be visible. So that is what we have done in the previous screen. And what should be the order of them, which one should come at the top, which one should come at the bottom. So like yeah, the recent items you want to put at the top. For wide section, whatever order you want, set that thing and click on save. So this will edit the home page layout. So home page is simpler because in home page you do not have too much to do because there are no fields and all those things. So there is no point of making anything mandatory or required through home page. If you want, you can create new home page, right? Clone it from any existing one. Home page 1, save it. So now we have two home pages. If you have two home pages, what you can do is you can give some, for some profiles you can assign this home page. For some other profiles you can do this home page. How will you do that? You will just need to go to page layout assignment and do that. Tell me if you are clear on the page layouts and the home pages. Let me know if there are any questions. As I said, this part is simple. It does not have too many things, but yeah, we just need to know these options because sometimes you just need to deal with these things. Okay. The other part that we are going to talk about is